Ready to unlock the power of decentralized applications? Let's dive into building your very own Ethereum Dapp. First, you'll need to set up your development environment. This involves installing Node.js, a package manager like npm or Yarn, and a suitable IDE or text editor. Ensure you also install Truffle, a development framework, Ganache, a local blockchain, and Metamask, a crypto wallet extension for your browser. Next, we'll build the front end using a framework like React or Vue. Create your project structure and design the user interface. Focus on components for interacting with your smart contracts. Now it's time to create your smart contract using Solidity. Define the contract's logic, data structures, and functions that your front end will interact with. Compile and deploy your smart contract to the Ganache local blockchain using Truffle. Remember to write migration scripts to automate the deployment process. Integrate Metamask to manage user accounts and sign transactions. This allows users to interact with your Dapp and smart contracts directly from their browser. Connect your frontend to your smart contract using a library like Web3.js or Ethers. This allows your application to read and write data to the blockchain. Finally, deploy your Dapp to a decentralized hosting platform like IPFS or Netlify. Ensure your smart contract is deployed to a public testnet or the main Ethereum network. Now you have a fully functional Dapp.